Hello guys, I hope you are doing well and your trading journey is going also well. Today I will lost around $2,240 loss. I am not follow my own rules and not follow my risk reward ratio. That's why this $500 loss become $2,240 loss. You can show how I can make a loss today. Now we can open NDX 100 chart and I will show you how I will take a loss around $2,000 loss. I will buy around 17,764 and I feel that market will going down and I will manage my risk reward ratio around $500 profit and $500 loss, but some kind of work I will doing at that time and I am not showing the market, and market suddenly goes to 7,764 level to around 17,847 and I will buy a put option, so market will going up and I will loss around $2,000 losses. I am not making a stop loss, so here you can managing that stop loss is very important to minimize our losses and maximize our profit. So whenever you can buy any trade, put a stop loss in the system. Otherwise, if you not put a stop loss, you can make a huge losses. So I hope you will like this video today. What's your trade today? Give me the comment below.